back to another video. So I've got another little pack of Born Pretty gel polishes. So these are the same package, same bottles as the ones I got in my last set. The last set I got were a pack of 6 pastel colours, absolutely beautiful. I'll leave the video to the last collection at the end. Beautiful pastel colours. Candy Shop, the last collection was called. This collection has come at a perfect time. Oh my gosh, look at these guys. They are neon. Right, let's get them out. So yeah, we've got 6 colours and they're all 10ml. Why is my screen being funny? Yeah, 10ml bottles, and they're all numbered on the side. BP MC01. What does the MC stand for? I can't remember. I think it means... Can't remember. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for these. So we've got a green, orange, yellow, pink, blue and purple. So I'm just going to get straight in and swatch them. These gel polishes from Born Pretty, every one of them I've tried from this particular series in the black bottles have been amazing. Every single one of them. I was so happy with the pastel collection last week. So let's start with number 1, which is a green. I've got a 20% off code, guys, for Born Pretty. It'll be in my description box. I think these are on Amazon, and if they're on the website, I'll leave all links will be below anyway, but make sure you take advantage of that code. Let's have a look. Now, neons are well known for being sheer, especially the yellows, the greens and the purples. But oh my god, look at that. Oh, love it. I absolutely love it. Should I bring you down a bit? Look at that. One coat. Wow. Yeah, these cure in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. So I'll do another orange. Oh, I don't need to whiz through these because it's only 6, isn't it? So yeah, let's just get through them. Oh my gosh. I love neons. I love bright colours. Yeah, this is a little bit sheer, but they always are. Oh, shit, dropped it. Yeah, every brand I've tried neon, they always tend to be a little bit sheer. I'm not sure why that is. You'd have to ask someone that mixes gel polish. But that's the orange. Again, they're not too sheer though, are they? Oh my gosh. Love them. So we'll do something with these in my next video. I'm not sure what, but we'll do something. So this looks like a yellow. Yeah, it is a proper neon yellow. Oh, who else is looking forward to summer and bright colours? I know I am. This is quite a creamy yellow, actually. It's not got that transparent sheerness to it like the others. This is actually more of a creamy one. Oh wow, look at that. Sorry I keep going over it, guys. I've stopped slapping thick layers on. I've started doing thin layers. Quite a creamy one, that. Look how bright that is though. Wow. You should see these glowing in the lamp. They glow like beacons. Right, we've got pink. See, you get a lot of neon sets that come with without a blue, and I think, yeah, when it's a set of 6 neons, you want a blue, don't you? I've got a couple of sets of neon gel polishes, and they've not got a blue in them, but this has. Look at that. Oh my life. Is that just the nicest pink you've ever seen, or what? I love it. Right, then we've got the blue. Yeah, you need a blue in a neon set. The sets that come without a blue, you normally get an extra pinky purple colour or an extra yellowy green colour. I love that it comes with the blue. And it's the perfect kind of blue that you get with neon collections, isn't it? Oh, I love that. It's a bit of a teal. A bit of a teal kind of blue. Aqua blue. Love it. And then lastly, we've got the purple. This actually, to be honest, is more of a pastel purple than a neon. Yeah, this is definitely not a neon. Definitely not. But it's a very pretty colour. Very pretty colour, but I wouldn't call it a neon purple. I like it a lot though. Yeah, this is a nice creamy one as well. I really like that. I really like that. But yeah, I'd say that's a pastel, isn't it, than a neon. Right, I'm going to give these a quick top coat, guys, and then we'll have a look at them. Right, guys, that is them all swatched. Do you know something? I'm really happy with this neon set. A lot of the neon sets I've got, there's always been one or two that I'm not quite happy with. A lot of them have the blue missing. I'm really, really happy with this set. I do think the purple could have done with being a bit more, I don't know, just a deeper but brighter. I'm not sure. But I really, really like it. I really, really do. I think that's a beautiful little neon set. Look at that pink. And the blue. I love that blue. And again, a lot of neon sets, the yellow and the green are so alike. But these are not. They're actually a yellow and a green. I really like it. Really, really nice set. It really is. But yeah, I'll leave links and discount code below. I'll leave links to everywhere this is available. I think it's definitely on Amazon. I'm not sure about the website, but yeah, all links will be below anyway. But yeah, that's it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And keep your eyes out for the next one. We'll do something with these. Yay! Take care. Bye.